Do you often end up messing your eye makeup look when it comes to smoky shades of eye makeup? Welcome guys, welcome to my channel. Here I am with this video, and this look can go with any occasion or any festival, be it marriage, party or anything. In order to create it, I am first going to start spooling my brow hair upward, and so that it can be clean and clear. My hair are pretty intense and dark, so I don't need much filling of brows. However, I'm using a brow pencil to fill in all those sparse areas and the gaps so that my brows can look even more beautiful. Now I'm going to use concealer all over my eyelids and underneath my brows to clean everything and to have a clear canvas to work with. And all those products which I am going to use on this eye makeup look. So it's really important to conceal your eyelids, and after concealing eyelids all over, I am going to use a loose powder to set in, and the concealer should not move. After using concealer, after using that, I am going to use a cool Kajal all over my lids. We are already going to smudge it, so you do not have to be precise. Just apply it randomly. Now I'm taking some brown eyeshadow and diffusing the edges of that black Kajal which we have applied on our lid. And in order to diffuse that, you need a big blending brush, and the shade which I have used for blending, I will show that on the screen so that you guys will get to know which shade is that. This is from Hated with Love palette, and further I'm going to take that shade and diffuse the Kajal from outer as well as inner corner of my eyes. After diffusing all those harsh corners, I am now going to apply more black eyeshadow in order to intensify that black eyelid space, and for that I'm using this black eyeshadow and applying it all over my lid with a flat shader brush. Further. After diffusing, I am going to apply Kajal on my lower lash line, and taking the same black eyeshadow, I am going to diffuse it using that flat definer brush. In order to create that perfect ombre of colors in your lower lash line as well, I am again taking the brown eyeshadow and diffusing the black and brown together so that my eyeshadows can get that ombre effect on lower lash line as well. Diffusing it a bit more further. After smudging that brown eyeshadow with the black Kajal and the black eyeshadow in my lower lash line, we are going to create that ombre. And after finishing up, I am going to highlight my brow bone. For that, I'm using a shade called Snow White from the same Hated with Love palette and using for its highlighting. After highlighting my brow bone, now I'm going to use it in my inner corner as well to highlight it. It's time for mascara, so for that I'm applying a good coat of mascara on my lashes to get it more voluminized and look seamless and beautiful. I'm doing the same on my lower lash lines as well. After finishing up with the mascara, it's time for lashes and I'm applying eyelashes. So this is all about my today's smoky eye makeup. Do let me know what do you guys think about this. If you find it easy and it was helpful for you, please consider subscribing, liking and sharing to my channel. I will be coming up with then more content and more informating ideas on eye makeup. So post your comments. What do you guys want to see next? And thank you very much for coming to my channel. Bye bye everyone.